Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the asset accounting transactions. Some like of a basic transactions. Hey, that's a new concept for we have ever seen yet. Yes, that's a new concept. So I plan to take this and step into the asset accounting. So let's get our rocket launched. Vroom. Oh, yes. So before going to the transaction part, so what are all the transactions we are going to do that we discussed about this? Okay, now I'm going to show you how to purchase a asset, like a kind of a laptop in SAP. Yes. Now we are going to purchase a laptop in and how to post that entry in SAP, and then after purchasing the laptop I'm going to show you a kind of a report that would help you to find out the depreciation plans, and this might be a way, a part to the reporting purposes. Okay, so now I'm using a T code called /NF-90. This is a really super T code that drags you to post an asset accounting transaction. Yes, the purchase of asset. So here you can see the header part of the screen is the acquisition from purchase as a vendor. So this is nothing but the acquisition of asset. Okay, now the system asking the document date. Oh, this is the document date. So I'm giving my document date as 01/04/2021. Yes. So always the document date is to the posting date, the same as the posting date. So I am using the same as a posting date. Here I have mentioned my company code and currency, the particular fields, and after this filling this and data, you can scroll down and feel and then you can see a kind of fields empty here. So this is fields that you have to enter some data. So the SAP is asking the account field. So hey, what vendor, what type of vendor, or which vendor or you purchased with a laptop. So I'm choosing my vendor from my list. It's loading yet. So may I mention your company code and click on the continue button and select your vendor. Yes, my vendor name is Lance Unlimited, and this is my vendor number, and this is my company code. So I'm clicking the vendor number, so it will automatically paste here. So after filling this all data, hit the enter button to continue the next process. So SAP is just giving some warnings. To avoid the warnings, just press on the enter button to avoid the warnings. Okay, so now this is SAP is asking, hey, what's the amount, man? What's the price of the laptop? So my laptop price is just a 55,000. Yes, like the 55,000. Okay, so 55,000. Then you have to mention payment terms. Yes, I'm using the payment terms here as 0001. This 0001 defines you that this payment is immediate paid through a cash or immediate a bank transfer or like that. Okay, so now you have to mention the text. Here I am mentioning just an asset purchase. So in the text field you have to enter an asset purchase, and coming back to the posting key, so this is the posting key. Now here in the posting key you have to enter a 70 posting key as a debit asset. So what's the posting key is? Yes, that's the right question. So posting key, it's a kind that we are telling that we are telling to SAP that just debit the asset, just debit the account, what we are going to enter into the field, just debit that. So there's a code word or there's a separate code that SAP can understand. So it's a posting key. So here in this account, I'm selecting my asset from my list. Yes. So I have already created an asset class and asset master. So my asset is this Lenovo lap computer. Sorry, I mentioned a laptop. So it's a Lenovo computer. Then the asset account number is 1000. And the TT type, don't worry with TT type. Just enter the 100 and continue with the next process. If you are getting a warning message, to avoid the press on enter button. Again press on enter button. Okay, again the system the SAP is asking the amount. So my amount is some 55,000 and the text is asset purchase. No, do not fill this field with the second time. I personally advise. Okay, so now finally post this transaction. Click on enter button to avoid the warning messages. Boom! Hey! So the document number is generated below. So this indicates you have purchased this asset. Yes, you purchased this asset. So now we are going to look back to what's the journal entry for this asset transaction, asset purchase transaction, or asset acquisition transaction. So normally you get a little bit confused. What entry passed? The SAP, what entry passed? So for kind of any journal entry view, you can use the T code called /NFB02. Oh, sorry, not 02, it's 03. So the /NFB03 is a T code that drags you or takes you to the screen where you can view your document. So my document number is recently updated here, and my company code is ABC. That's right. And fiscal year, I have to mention the fiscal year here. So my fiscal year, as far as the Indian GAAP, so I am following the 2021. So my fiscal year is 2021. And click on enter button to view the entry view of the asset purchase. Oh yeah, so this is the entry view. This is the actual journal entry that SAP post when we have created the document. Yes, so this 1000 is nothing but an asset. So my asset number is 1000. The 1000 is in the debit side. So minus indicates the credit side. So our vendor is on the credit side of the entry. So this is the actual entry view that you can see through the what's the journal entry that SAP passed or SAP post into our ledgers and the trial balances or in the balance sheets. So that's all for the video today. Thank you.